Hello viewers, developers of Call of Duty Infinity Ward have revealed more information about this week's release. There are some big chances which are coming with Season 5. The updated will have additional content and will also contain optimized asset packs. Call of Duty also recently released a trailer in which we saw the emergence of a new faction which is called Shadow Company. The faction will be a part of both Warzone and Modern Warfare. Initial reports said that Season 5 will begin on August 4. However, Activision late confirmed that Season 5 will launch on Wednesday, August 5th. It is expected to be available from 2 pm Eastern Time. The game trailer launch this time is more dynamic with train scene, helicopter, stadium blast and much more which you will see in the trailer. Let's have a look at the trailer of Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
Are you ready? Is you ready? You say you ready. Whole squad ready.
Activision and Infinity Ward released a trailer for Season 5 of Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Warfare Zone today. A trailer confirms that various leaks and teasers have already hinted at a new moving train will arrive on Warzone map in Season 5, which kicks off next week. The train is pretty much exactly what Apex Legends did for its second map and should add some cool momentum to Warzone matches. The open stadium looks like Sniper Heaven. Warzone is getting a lot of love in Season 5, it looks like, with more significant changes than we have seen previously. But I am still more excited about the new maps coming to Modern Warfare multiplayer, where I spend most of my time. A new gunfight map will be most welcome. The new MP contents includes two new MP maps, Sudal Harbor and Petro Oil Rig, one new ground war map, Verdansk International Airport, one new gunfight map, Farmland. The trailer also gives up some peeks at new operators we should expect in Season 5 Battle Pass. These are members of the Shadow Company, a new faction revealed last week. PS4's gamers are able to pre-download the update now, though not everyone at once. You can check to see if the update is available on your system, and if not, it should become available before the season goes live on Wednesday, August 5th. This is not an option for Xboxers or PC gamers on Battle.net, unfortunately. The update is quite large also, though Infinity Ward says will ultimately reduce the footprint of the game. Perhaps the biggest change coming in Season 5 Warzone is the opening or destruction of the stadium. The concept is that in previous season, players could enter the stadium only landing on it and looting around it was possible. However, there are teasers in which small bombs could possibly blast it open, allowing players to enter the stadium and fight inside the compound. On Monday, Twitch streamer Nick Mertz previewed a cryptic teaser for Call of Duty Modern Warfare Season 5, allegedly sent to him by Infinity Ward. The brief clip is a static video of the train yard in Verdansk with a helicopter swooping in and the honking sound of a train passing by. A timestamp for 5th August is watermarked at the top of the video, as well as an exact time 10:46 August 5 happens to be the approximate date when the current Season 4 Battle Pass expires, making way for Call of Duty Modern Warfare Season 5. Upon showing the clip on his stream, Nick Mertz speculated that the 10:46 is the time the Call of Duty Season 5 Battle Pass goes live, though he is unsure what time zone that is time to. The presence of a train and a train horn strongly suggests an ongoing rumor about Season 5, the introduction of loot trains in Verdansk map. As reported by Video Games Chronicle, the Verdansk map will change to feature a loot-filled train that will continuously circle the map. It's a feature that players of Apex Legends may find familiar. This is not only the change to Verdansk coming to Season 5, as reported elsewhere, the football or soccer stadium may open up to allow players more place to land, load up and bunkers down. As is tradition in each season of Call of Duty, there will be an influx of new weapons, operator skin and other in-game goods. Unique to Season 5 may be more teasers for the next installment of the Black Ops sub-franchise rumored to be titled Call of Duty Black Ops or Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. The 2020 Call of Duty is expected to reboot the Black Ops sub-franchise in the same way 2019's Modern Warfare rebooted the Modern Warfare series. It is also rumored that the Season 5 will introduce a new playable operator, Frank Woods, a character from the Black Ops series. A new Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Call of Duty Warzone season launches later this week, and it's poised to bring about many notable changes to both standard multiplayer and the Battle Royale mode. But it will address perhaps the single biggest problem with Modern Warfare, its gigantic file size. For anyone desperate to know when they can drop into Call of Duty Modern Warfare Season 5 and just what sorts of havoc the update might wreak on the console storage, here's everything you need to know. Season 5 will be yet another enormous downloading at whopping 36.182 GB on PS4, and gamers need to have 90 GB free to initialize the download. While this is probably worrying if your system doesn't have a lot storage space left, it's worth updating still because this update will actually decrease the overall file size of the game. If you have both Modern Warfare and Warzone installed, the game can easily take over 100 GB of storage space on your system, which is tough when the base models only came with 500 GB storage. As such, it's great that the developers are shrinking the game's file size, and it will be interesting to see how low they can get it for such high fidelity and content heavy game. I hope you are excited about playing this new game. I am also very much excited. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.